Welcome to another episode of Kamal Tech Vlog. Today what we are going to do is we are going to unbox this. So this is a Tukzer and we are going to go ahead and unbox this. It's a mat which you can use it for a computer table, and it comes just for 300 bucks. That's 299 something on Amazon. So let's go ahead and unbox this and show you how it looks. So let's start with that. So as you can see, the brand name is Tukzer and it is washable one, as it shows durable, strong and everything, and it comes in various colors over here. Whichever you want, you can purchase. So this is going to be a simple unboxing because as soon as I open this box is useless, sorry. And here inside you get this wonderful mat over here. So I did like this DigiSpace vibe over here, so I bought this. And this one is having a glossy finish, as you can see, so it won't get dirty soon. And it's not a small mat, it's a very long mat. So if I fold this, you'll be able to see how long it is. And this one, let's keep a mouse and check how good it is. Okay, this one is actually good. When I see my computer screen, the mouse works beautifully on this. So this one is another small product which I got out for you, and it's from Tukzer, and you can buy. When you're looking out for products like this, it's usually very expensive, but this one is coming in a very less price. It comes just about 300 rupees, and it can be bought even with some discount on Amazon. Where this is the main quality over here, which is a glossy finish, and you see behind it has that rough glossy finish where the dust will not form. So you can go ahead and purchase this whenever you want to go ahead and make a working station in your home, a computer station or anything like that. And once you're done using it, like example, if you're traveling out or anything like that, you'll be able to quickly go ahead, put it in the cover and pack it and take it on to your new destination. It's as simple as that. So this is all we got for Tukzer, as it's just a small product. And if you did like this video, please do like and subscribe for the channel. It helps the channel a lot. And until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day ahead.